Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and I'm very excited to look through the Magnolia Bakery Handbook, a complete guide for the home baker today. I bake at home, but I'm not a home baker. I don't usually make cakes from scratch. I whip out a Pillsbury, Duncan Hines, or Betty Crocker, but I do bake cookies, just not cakes. This is Baking Made Easy with 150 Foolproof Recipes and Techniques by Bobbie Lloyd, the Chief Baking Officer of Magnolia Bakery. Let's check it out. This is a brand new cookbook that came out this year and everyone was super excited. Well, not everyone on the planet, but everyone who cares about cookbooks and food. Magnolia Bakery Handbook. So far, so good. Nice pictures. Looks delicious. Contents. That's cute. It says, here's what's cooking. It's going to start with an introduction, obviously, invaluable tips and techniques for the home baker, the ingredients used in my kitchen and at Magnolia Bakery, tools of the trade. Then we'll get into the important stuff. Chapter 1, cakes, starting off with a bang. Chapter 2, cupcakes, from the cookie jar, brownies and bars, pies and crisps, muffins and coffee cakes, scones, an entire chapter on scones, wow. Chapter 8, Icebox desserts. I actually don't know what that means. Ice cream? Anyway, chapter 9, banana pudding. An entire chapter on banana pudding. Wow, okay. So, introduction, let's skip ahead and see what some of these recipes look like. I love the photos so far. And some step-by-step how to fill your piping bag. Yay! I hate piping. Ooh. I love it when chapters have pretty photos delineating sections of the book. Oh. Cakes. That looks very retro with the pastel teal colored cake. I love it. Or light blue. Cakes and cupcakes baking tips, step-by-step photos. Love it. Tips for decorating your cake. Oh, this is a really educational book. Everyone's favorite vanilla cake. Nice. Here it is in yellow with confetti or funfetti stuff in it, but made from scratch, not out of a box. Strawberry cake with strawberry meringue buttercream. I'm loving this. The stars and rosettes cake from the front cover. Okay, I can't show you every cake. Chocolate cake with caramel buttercream, chocolate cake with peppermint buttercream, chocolate cake with peanut butter buttercream, chocolate whiteout cake, basically reverse. I love those. A razzie cake, coconut cake, I don't care for that. Magnolia Bakery's famous red velvet cake with whipped vanilla icing, a retro favorite. Okay, I gotta get out of the cake. Oh no, I have to show you this. I'll show it to you really quick. The s'mores cake. Oh, love it. That's clever. Okay, let's get into the cupcakes section. If I can find it. Thanksgiving cake with caramel sauce. This book is heavy, by the way. Look how thick this is. Okay. Nope, I gotta hold it. I need to do some exercises so that I can hold these heavy cookbooks up better. Cupcakes. The cupcake craze of about 9 or 10 years ago is luckily over. I'm not sure why someone would make a just boring vanilla cake from scratch, so I skipped that one. Strawberry cupcakes with strawberry meringue buttercream. That sounds great. Chocolate cupcakes, razzie cupcakes, coconut cupcakes, s'mores cupcakes. So basically miniature versions of the other recipes. Red velvet cupcakes, banana cupcakes, carrot cupcakes, lemon cupcakes with lemon meringue buttercream, and the little frosting looks like a flower. Oh, that's pretty. Very spring too, right? We're going to move to the cookie jar. What kind of recipes are in here? Chocolate chunk caramel sea salt, chocolate chip cookies tied up with twine. These are a few of my favorite things. Oh, brown sugar cookies. Oh, actually, I haven't made those. Cracked sugar cookies. Well, that sounds like something I make on accident and then eat anyway. Confetti cookies. Oh, fun. Now, how do you make the confetti? Oh, confetti sprinkles that you buy out of a jar. Okay. I thought there was some magic way I didn't know how to make confetti myself. Oh, and I was feeling like a bad cook. Ginger snap cookies, snickerdoodles, black and white cookies. Those are fun to make, aren't they? I'm going to skip ahead and see what else is here. Oh, crinkle cookies. I don't usually think about making those, but that's a good idea. Holiday Spritz cookies. Oh, that was the beautiful photo of the holiday Spritz cookies. Okay. What's up next? Cut out sugar cookies, brownies and bars. I don't usually bake a lot of brownies or bars, but I bet a lot of you do. So fudge, billionaire, we all know what brownies look like. Skip, skip, skip. Aha! Marble cream cheese brownies. This is where this cookbook stands out. I would not know how to do that unless I saw this picture, and it kind of makes sense. I don't think I could do it that well, but it would be fun to try. Linzer bars. Lemon bars with shortbread cookie crust, another spring favorite. Let's get out of the bar section and see what else is going on in the next. Oh, beautiful pies and crisps. This baking book has everything. Obviously, apple crumb pie, blueberry, apple crisp, blueberry crisp, pecan pie, or pecan pie, black bottom pecan and pecan pie. Looks burned, but it's not. Pumpkin pie with praline topping or praline topping. Chocolate funny cake pie. I've never heard of that. That looks kind of gross, but I know they know what they're doing. Now we're in the muffins and coffee cakes. That's the kind of thing I like to bake and just drop over half of them at the neighbors, unsolicited. They don't mind. Cappuccino chip muffins, chocolate chip cherry muffins, lemon zest muffins. Fun. Cinnamon sugar muffins, la la la. Sour cream coffee cake. I just saw a really good picture that I want to show you. And it wasn't the lemon vanilla mini bundt cakes, but those are cute too. Sour cream coffee cake. Yum. I don't even drink coffee, but I would have that with tea. An entire chapter on scones. I guess I shouldn't just buy a scone mix. I should make it myself. Blueberry, lemon, classic combination, right? Lemon poppy scones, peach raspberry scones, pumpkin chocolate chip scones. Okay, you get the drift. Let's move on. Icebox desserts. What on earth is that? Is it ice cream cake? It's Icebox cake. I'm going to have to read this when I'm not on video, and I'll figure out what's going on. Oh, she's layering it and showing how it's done. That's cool. Blueberry jamboree. Oh, I get it. It's like refrigerated. Okay, not freezer, but refrigerated. Grasshopper pie, icebox bars. That's fun. Not thinking of, oh, key lime pie bars. I'm not sure I would eat these in the middle of winter. Chocolate pudding pie. An entire chapter on banana pudding. I'm very confused why there's so much. Magnolia Bakery's famous banana pudding. Chocolate banana pudding. Is this a thing? Is this because I'm not in the South? Peanut butter banana pudding with Reese's Pieces on it. Pumpkin ginger snap banana pudding. Nutella buttercream, chocolate ganache. Okay, we're in the back of the book learning how to do all the techniques. Wow. You really get a lot for your money on this cookbook. This is amazing. Everything you could want to know about all the delicious, fattening, sugary baking treats you could get from this cookbook. Totally recommend it. I'm going to go turn off the camera, put on some pajamas, and check this out closely in detail. I'm so glad I checked it out from the library, and I'm probably going to have to buy it. Thanks for watching this cookbook look through from Cookbook Divas. You can see more of them on our social media channels, including Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and Instagram. Thanks for watching.